Gracie with WTI. We recently just installed these shelf liners from RESILIA, and let me just tell you, we have been thoroughly impressed with its quality. So I originally wanted these liners because I bought a new can rack organizer, and because it has these pointy legs, it wasn't working out with my wire shelves. But these liners are truly heavy duty. They were able to hold all the weight of this fully loaded can organizer. Plus, now I don't have to worry about my smaller pantry items either falling through the gaps or not standing up straight. These liners have truly come in so handy. So we got the 12-inch by 25-foot long roll in clear, which worked out great because we were able to customize it to different lengths that we needed throughout the house. So after we measured the length that we needed, we just used a square to draw a straight line with an erasable marker. And then we just used our normal household scissors to get a straight cut. It could not have been more easier. And because these liners are waterproof, it makes it so simple to just wipe it down with a damp cloth. Installing these liners were definitely an easier and cost-effective way to give our shelves a solid surface. And because they come rolled up, it did have some waves to it, but I just placed some heavy items on top of the liner for a day or so and the waves flattened right out. So one side has a textured surface while the other side has a smooth and shiny finish to it. So I think these liners are just perfect for your pantry, for your drawers, your fridge, really any surface that you need them for. And that's my point of view.